All right, so here we're talking about the height bar alarm. It's going to go onto the end of a bar like this, typically used to protect hanging things from forklifts. And so all we're going to do is slip it over the top like that. And so we're going to slip it over the top, and we're going to pay attention to this mark. This is top dead center, and what we want is to have this oriented upwards. So what the idea is that we're trying to get these pins, the tilt switches, so that they're not all the way. When one of the balls connects to the end, that's creating a short circuit, which is activating the alarm. What we want is for neither ball to be connected. So that's the neutral position. It's not going to alarm. If we tilt it this way, now the top switch is going to put it into alarm. If we tilt it the other way, now the bottom switch is going to put it into alarm. So the neutral resting position has to be somewhere in between the two, like that. Actually, is that? No, that's not like there. That's the neutral position that you're looking for when you install it. And you can see that the mark, the top dead center mark, is oriented vertically. So that's what we're doing here. And so we've just installed it. Just put it on. It's approximately top dead center. But we're going to check by energizing it. Better bring it around this way. So if one of the switches is engaged, it's going to go into alarm right away. So that's not what we want. So we're going to tilt it, and you can see it's not really top dead center. So we're going to tilt it so it is top dead center, maybe like that. And now we're going to check it again. So now both of the switches are not engaged, and it's ready to go into alarm. So I'm going to cause the disturbance to the bar and cause it to alarm like that. And that's going to sound. We have it set for 10 seconds. These where did that go? Notice we have a muffler on there, so it's much louder alarm, and the camera is going to suppress the noise anyway. But the programming is done with these dip switches. You can actually zoom in on that maybe, and the different combinations of switches give you different times, and so that's in the printed instructions. Anyway, after the strike, though, we want to check it again to make sure that the switches are in good. That the switches are still in the neutral position and not in the alarm state. So we're going to turn it off, back on, and that is correct. That's how it should be. And so that's the installation of the onto a bar. And then when you're happy with it, then you just tighten the thumb screw.